I would not want to be in a situation like that. Welcome back to my channel. Yeah, I have bangs now, and yeah, I still don't know how to style them. Also, I'm filming at a very odd hour. It's 5 p.m. So I hope the sun doesn't set and you're still able to see my beautiful face by the time we reach the end of this video. But anyway, I am going to be reacting slash reading your confessions. I asked you guys to send it on my Instagram, and you've sent a lot. Okay, so I have a phone here which has all of that. So let's go. I made out with a guy 10 years older than me when I was 15. Me too, sis. And that was not right. We were probably groomed. I left my father for my boyfriend. So what do you mean? Like you've just left him? Like आप उनके घर में रह रहे थे ना, तो you just left your home and you live with your boyfriend now. I need to know more before I judge you. My boyfriend made a new account because I told him to block a girl he just met a week ago. What should I do? Well. If he's made a new account after you told him to block somebody, it's quite possible that वो बोलता हो कि मैं अपना पुराना अकाउंट यूज़ नहीं करूँगा और उस लड़की से अपने पुराने अकाउंट से ही बात कर रहा हो. सी इफ़ यू आस्क योर बॉयफ्रेंड और गर्लफ्रेंड टू ब्लॉक समबडी एंड दे जस्ट लाइक go out of their way to do something, I think that's sus. I kissed my... Oh, how is that? You are quite bendy, I must say. Do you do yoga? Because, I mean, why not? I don't see what's right or wrong with that. I have no comment. I have a crush on my best friend. I'm bi, and now she dumped me, and I miss her so fucking bad. This is the same person, by the way, who kissed her own coochie. Well, you can just make a new best friend or find another person. You don't need to kiss yourself like that. Queen? I had an affair with a married man I work with, and he's definitely using me. Do not reveal my identity. I wouldn't even if I wanted to. What is up with you guys, and what is up with people and affairs? Like already मेरे generation के बच्चों को शादी करने से डर लगता है because of people like you. Babe, I'm scared of you. And why are you doing that? And if you know he's using you, then just get up and get out. Like it can't be that. I'll tell you, all the boundaries and all the fear, it's just in your head. If you leave him, there's hardly anything he can do if you are being forced to be in that relationship. But if you're just in an affair because you like him, then God bless you, because I won't. Did a threesome with my friends impromptu. What kind of friendships do you guys have? Like when me and my friends meet, the only sort of threesome we have is when all of us have to share one plate of bhel puri. I don't know what's up. You need to be less curious about stuff. Was scrolling through my boyfriend's phone to find something, and I saw her boyfriend's... Oh, there's nothing you can do. Like I've been in sort of a similar situation, but instead of seeing her boyfriend's stuff, I just saw their stuff, and I've still not recovered from that. It still haunts me. My bua ka beta bro called me in a room to give me Bhai Dooj ka gift, so I went, but you should have kicked him in the nuts and said, here's my Bhai Dooj gift to you. My God. My parents found my vibrator. You know, a friend was in a similar situation, and she just told her mom that, oh, this is just something for fun that we got from that a friend of mine got for me from Thailand. It's just like that. It's actually just a massager. जबकि मेरे को लगता है कि उसकी मम्मी को इस बात पे विश्वास नहीं है. But yeah, a friend went through the same. When I was 17, I had a crush on a boy. I confessed, but he was already dating someone. I still like him. I never dated anyone in my life of 19 years. Well, let me teach you one thing. If somebody says no, right, it means no. And especially as sucky as it sounds, if a guy says, you know, that no, I do not want to be in a relationship with you, it's different if he's like, I just don't want to date anyone. But if it's like, I specifically, like you've said that, you've told him that you like him, and he's like, I don't give a fuck, that means he like really does not give a fuck. Like in my experience and in my observation after being on this planet for over 22 years, I would just say that he's just not that into you. So get up and move on. My boyfriend is younger than me, and I like to keep him as my pet. If a guy had said this, I would have been so mad, but honestly, I have nothing to say but to laugh. After breakup, I feel my girlfriend's best friend is hotter and more cute. I mean, as long as you feel that after the breakup, I guess it's fine. Just don't go for her because it would ruin a lot of things. But if you like drama, go for it. But aap meri sun loge. My best friend was a bitch and toxic, so I stole her crush, and he's my boyfriend because he used to like me. I kind of like that. It's petty. I like it. Like if she was a bitch to you, then I've always said that, you know, I used to think that yeah, उन्होंने आपका बुरा किया है तो आप उनका बुरा क्यों करोगे? पर एक्चुअली उन्होंने आपका बुरा किया है तो आप उनका बुरा क्यों नहीं करोगे? I broke up with him because he was short. Well, you shouldn't have been in a relationship. क्या आपको उसकी हाइट नहीं दिख रही थी रिलेशनशिप से पहले? That's not good. I do not approve that. I find older men attractive, sometimes aged in 40s or 30s. Then you need help. Do you have daddy issues? Go ahead and cry, little girl. Nobody does it like you do. I know you have daddy issues, and I do too. I mean, I don't. And don't go for guys who are in their 40s or 30s. You know it's wrong, right? Like, I know this is a confession, so you know it's wrong. But there's nothing like, उनके बच्चे हैं भाई, आपकी उम्र के बच्चे हैं उनके. Don't do that. Queen. I sometimes think of getting married to my cousin. Well, stop thinking and let me pay for your therapy. Because that's not right. Why are so many people attracted to their cousin? I wonder if it's because हमारे Indian household में बच्चों को बाहर निकलने नहीं देते थे, so the only opposite gender interaction they had was with their cousins, and then they thought, oh my god, since like me, this is it, like, you know. I wonder if it's that or if everyone's just fucked in the head because I see a lot of confessions about cousins. It's concerning. I stalked this guy in real life and I guess he liked me back too, but then he unfollowed me and got with Diva. You scared? Huh? I don't know what you mean by the last line because I ain't scared. Love Quinn, is that you? And another story that I want to tell like this is that I was stalked in real life too. When I was in I think 11th grade, I used to go to this accounts ट्यूशन एंड मतलब वहाँ पे उस ट्यूशन में बहुत सारे बच्चे आते थे तो नीचे हमेशा ट्यूशन के बाहर भीड़ लगी रहती थी सो आई नेवर रियली थॉट मच ऑफ इट बट लाइक अ फ्यू गाइज वो आई कुड हियर देम take my name, but then I thought that as just guys being guys, and I ignored it, and I sort of liked the attention back then. But then I started getting these pictures on my Instagram showing that, hey, hope you reached home safely, and then there was a picture of me entering my house, and then at first I didn't notice क्योंकि मैं अपने मैसेज रिक्वेस्ट में से इतना देखती नहीं थी पहले and उसके बाद there was another picture of me in the market and they were like, oh, what are you buying? And there was a picture of me and then I opened it and I thought that, you know, it's maybe they just spotted me, but then there was another picture where I was sitting in my room and I was in the balcony and it was taken from the park which is right next to my house and I was like, what are you thinking about? So I thought that maybe it's just a crazy guy who's after me. And once I went to the same tuition, and after the tuition ended, the teacher stopped me, and he was he let the whole class go, and he stopped me, and he was like, "I need to call your parents." And I was like, "What? Why?" And he said, "Because of you, like 2, 3 stray guys are just hanging around, and they say that they know you." And I said, "I promise, I don't know anybody." And then I showed him the messages, and he was like, "Oh, that's sort of fucked." So I told my parents, and then my dad hired a guard who stayed with me for a bit to protect me from stuff like that. So all I want to say is that that's kind of retarded that you're stalking somebody in real life. Stop doing that if you're still doing it, and if you're not, then thank you. 5 years back, my father caught me with my boyfriend in my room around 2 a.m. I was 14 years old. How were you allowed to get a guy in your room at 14 years old? Like, I mean, you probably snuck him in, but when I was 14, my parents didn't allow me, well, because I was a fucked teenager, but they didn't even allow me to have my own room. I used to sleep with my grandmom. I do love my best friend from 4 years, and I think he knows this, but I'm so afraid to confess. Well, if you think he knows this and he hasn't confessed, then don't confess. I don't think girls should really confess, but it's up to you. I mean, I don't think it's good for me. But if you want to do it, then you can do it. Situationship said he doesn't want a relationship, but I still say it. Well, you're probably very stupid because why did you ask him? Now you just have to like, you lost your aura. Now you just have to act like, oh yeah, me too. I was just asking because I thought you were starting to like me and I just want to clear it up, you know, that I do not want a relationship. Do something like that if you are asking for advice. I goon to you, don't do that. It's a girl who said this, so I don't know. It's sort of scary. I got caught kissing my cousin's boyfriend with the emoji. तुम्हारा दिमाग खराब है और कुछ नहीं है. बकवास हो तुम लोग. I was physically involved with a guy for 2 years in the hope that he'll fall in love with me. That hardly happens. Like if you're getting into a physical relationship in the hope that that might make the guy stay, it's not how it works. Like if they don't want to be with you after like a month of you constantly talking, I'm talking about constantly talking in the same mood, not like you've just been friends for a month, but like constantly talking and like I don't know, in the talking stage, then they don't want you. You don't need to do these experiments of being in a physical relationship for a bit for that. I'd rather be on the Himalayas than with my family. It's a jungle here. It's so fucked to be in a dysfunctional family because I've seen some of my friends deal with that stuff. 13 or 14-year-old going through this, it just instantly, I think, ages you and you become 25 years old. And anyway, I'm so sorry for you. I wish I could do something about it. I helped my best friend abort while she was 20 months pregnant. Do you mean 20 weeks or 2 months? Well, if she didn't want to keep the baby, then it's her body, her choice. I am not here to judge, but if it's your confession, then I respect that you helped her. And I am hoping that she was above 18, and if she wasn't, then it's a case. I'm bisexual, but I can't come out or live in a judgy society, so yeah, and don't reveal my ID. I will never do that. I feel like you don't really need to come out in a very closed environment. It could be we would just be in relationships as kids and we never told our parents, because even if the relationship is harmless, they wouldn't understand. But if you want, like, if you feel the need to have them acknowledge it, then I think you should start reeling it in slowly, because I understand it can be really hard. But on the other hand, like, you can correct me if I'm wrong. I wonder if you coming out of the closet will make you feel more relieved, or will it bring more problems in your life? And by problems, I don't mean that it's a bad thing, because I would never say that. What I mean is that since you said that you live in a judgy society, sometimes you just want to live your own life without somebody else having multiple opinions on how you choose to be. For example, I know this is like not related to your thing at all, but sometimes I wake up and I see a lot of comments obviously on my YouTube, and there are like a lot of negative comments also. I love YouTube more than anything, but then again, it does bother me that there are a lot of people that just have these unsolicited advices, or just opinions on me. So I don't know why I said that, but I hope it sort of helps. And thanks for telling me, because of course I won't reveal your ID, but I can see your name. I low-key like a girl, but I don't know what to do, so I bully her and now she hates me. You must think that, bullying her, she feels like, oh, I hate him, he does all that. But she knows you like her, so just confess. Anytime a guy has been that bully sort of thing with me, that, oh, you put so much makeup, or you do this, oh, you're not even a girl. I've known that he's had a crush on me. So girls are smart, bro. You can just tell her. Pianchi, I'm 15. Everyone around me is in a relationship or has been in one. I feel FOMO. You are just 15. My relationships till I was 15, I've just been with people who should be behind bars. So I'm sort of glad that you are not in a relationship. Don't be in this fear of missing out, because you're not missing out anything except ruining your mental health. So it'll help you in the future. I have friends who are like 23, 24 now, never been in a relationship and never like even had a anything with a guy. Sabka time aata hai. I'm dating a married man. That is crazy. I want to hit you. Can I? Stop dating people who already have. You are ruining a house. समझ रहे हो आप किसी का घर तोड़ रहे हो. That is not okay. I told my best friend's strictest parents about her relationship with a guy by sending their personal pics. Why would you do that? Like, why did you have to be a bitch like that? I'm judging you really hard right now. Unless the guy was bad for her and you were looking out, but I still think that this is not the best way to look out. Unless the situation was really, really bad. Let me choose my last one. My ex's tape got leaked and it was with a friend of mine and her best friend. I wonder how your friend feels now. Like, I feel bad for them that they have to go through this, but imagine you're doing whatever with your friend's ex without telling them, and now it's for the whole world to see. I would not want to be in a situation like that. I feel really bad for the people who have their private pictures leaked, because what the fuck? Like, I don't even judge them for sending it, but I hate the people who leak stuff and they get to live their lives as if they haven't done anything, and the person whose pictures were leaked, it becomes so hard for them to survive in this society. It's almost as, how people hate OnlyFans models, but they do not hate the men that watch their videos. If the guys didn't watch the videos, there would be no OnlyFans models. So stop hating. And I really hope that once our generation becomes, parents, we treat these things better than how they have been treated till now. Because stop hating the people who are catering it. Because I saw an OnlyFans models reel, and I went to the comment section and the guy's like, she makes so much money by doing this. Oh, so you're worth just $3.99 and all that. Oh, she just has to show her and then she becomes famous. And who set that system up? I'm a guy, so I'm not allowed to cry. And who set that system up? You're not allowed to beat women either, but you do, right? and someone's written that you hate men. I don't hate men. I just hate a big chunk of them because the stuff I hear and see in real life or all across the internet, it doesn't really make me like you guys. And I do have a bias for women because we've been through a lot, okay? And if I have to choose a gender, I will choose women. So that's it. Anyway, the sun has completely set. I'm using this phone's light so that there's some sort of light on my face. Tell me, how do you like my bangs? And I guess I'll see you in my next video. I hope you enjoyed this sort of sit down video after a while. Anyway, I'll see you later. Take care, and I hope you still have fun watching my videos. Bye.